Hi.
Hi.
What do you got there?
Rainbocorn.
Wow, we got some Rainbocorns from Zuru Toys. They sent you two to unbox and review. Oh, you already have a cute one. Look at his little cherries on him. So cute. It is a hamster. Where are you? There you are.
I love his color. Let's go.
What colors are those? Yellow and orange.
I know.
Yeah. Hi friends, welcome back to Treasure Hunt Toys. Today we have two amazing Rainbocorns Sequin Surprises from Zuru Toys. Thank you so much, Zuru, for sending us these to unbox and review for you. So let's jump into it. Which one do you want to open up first?
This one.
That one? Okay, let's get her open.
Zipper's of it. It's right here.
A
A zipper.
zipper?
Pull it.
This is so exciting. There are so many different ones to collect, and the front of them have a little...
I want this one.
Do you want that one? That one's pretty cool, hey?
And the kitty.
The kitty's really cute too.
And the bunny too.
And the bunny. We want them all.
Yeah, we do. I got it.
Perfect.
It has Tata here.
It says, high up in the sky where rainbows are born lives the magical sequin heart Rainbocorns. They'll make you smile and brighten your day in their own sparkly rainbow unicorn way.
A jack.
Do you need help?
Yeah, please. Whoa, there we go. Yay.
Woohoo! It is yellow. So swipe up all the sequins. Let's see what our secret message is. Clue? Our secret clue?
What is it?
I don't know. Keep going. Keep going.
A banana.
Is it a banana?
Yeah.
Once you're done flipping it all up, let's show our friends.
I think it's a banana. A banana.
It is! It's a banana! Here, let's show our friends. Let's get a little bit closer. Flip that up. So we got a super cool banana! Do you? Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what they look like. Crack the egg open. You cracked it! Here's your little emblem. And show them that it's a clip on the back. You can clip it.
Like on your hair.
Yeah, very cool.
You can put it back on your character.
On your character, yeah. Whoa! Oh my goodness! It's so cute! So show our friends what it looks like inside of there so they can see. So we got our collector's guide. And what else? Show them before you open it so they know in case someone hasn't seen it before.
Look.
So inside comes a little egg. As you can see, there's a little blue egg. Yeah, so let's open it up. Let's see who you got. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's yellow like that one, and it's got a little cute little horn. That is so cute.
Two horns.
Two horns.
This one is a gold horn.
Mm-hmm. So let's pop this on.
I opened this one and I got a what color was it?
I think a pink one.
That was a purple.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put this on so we can show them how it snaps on and off. You can.
It's a monkey.
It is a monkey. That's why there's a banana on the front, because monkeys like bananas.
Yeah.
So you can clip this on the front, just like ours.
Last time I got a cherry.
Little cherries, yeah. So you can clip these on if you want, or you can remove them, which is super cool. All right, who's gonna be in our next one?
I don't know.
This one has an orange horn.
Yeah, with a purple. Whoa, with a purple heart.
Yeah, that one has a purple heart. Ooh, that was a good one.
Cute! Oh, these are cute.
They're so cute. I can't wait to see what's going to be in that sequins clue. Okay, let's flip up the sequins.
What is this?
What is it?
I don't know.
Let's see.
Lollipop.
Is it a lollipop?
Yeah.
Let's see. Show our friends. Oh my goodness, it looks like a lollipop. Okay, crack it open. Let's see who it is. Whoa.
Lollipop.
Karate chop.
Hug it.
Hug it. Bear hug. Who is it? Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Look at how cute it is, friends.
What is it? It's a pink egg.
Is it a pink egg? Who's
Yeah.
inside? Who's inside?
And then this one. Okay.
Hatchet's little baby. Who's inside? Oh, it's two-tone. It has two colors. It's like an ombre, so it's got blue and green.
Blue and green. No, it's yellow.
Is it yellow?
Yeah. Yeah, it's so cute.
Do you love it? So here is the collector's guide for your sequin surprise. So there are 12 to collect. So there are some of them on the front right there. And then there is more on the back. And then there's also 22 Boo-Boocorns to collect. So the one we got is the Boo-Boo hamster. And then the other one is the Boo-Boo monkeys. And there's also the rare twins that you can collect, which are also super, super cute. So we now have this one here, which is Loco. And then the other one we opened, where is it? Where is it? This one right here, Munchie. And then the one that we have already is Pixel.
I love them so much.
Do you love them so much?
Yeah.
These are so amazing. So we will also leave a link below if you guys are wanting to find some of your own. We will leave a link on where you can find them below. So thank you friends so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe to our channel Treasure Hunt Toys for more awesome videos. Till next time friends. Bye.